I want to show you how I'm now passing prop firm challenges in just 2 fucking days and receiving payouts. As you can see here, this account was created on October the 7th. It's now October the 10th filming this. This account is now passed. And this was the second account. Yo boys, if you aren't already, follow me on the fucking gram. I post every single trade, every single day, London session and New York, what I take, whether I win, lose or break even. And you'll already know that I'd have been passed and funded at this point.
Oh baby, big milestone today, big. We just became 50k funded trader. And I'll tell you what, the trade today that we took,
every single trade taken for me to pass my first ever account, you're going to see the strategy it took me to then receive my first ever payout. You're going to see it hit the bank. You're going to see everything. And boys, I'm fucking back. So it's going to be a long fucking video. So do what you got to do. Watch it in parts, whatever you want to do. But boys, we are back. I am back posting videos. So be fucking ready. If you aren't already, sub the fuck up. Because we are about to take the fuck over. Come on. Go on. So close now. Might have a little retracement. Oh, beautiful. Come on. That's what you call fucking take profit smashed, you know? So I've just got my first ever Topstep account. Boom. I've never used this shit. I don't know how it works. But we just need one more winning day and we've got a fucking payout, Shan. Since this video was filmed and since my first payout, I have finally received my first payout. It is in the bank. It is in my account. Took 2 losses in the past 4 weeks, boys. It is costing me more money not being funded. Tell me I may as well just give up and stop. Puff. Fuck yourselves. Suck my dick and shut the fuck up. Because you're about to witness the come up, bro. You are about to witness the fucking maddest journey, bro. We're just getting started, bro. This is fucking nothing. Right, yo boys, it's been a fucking minute. Now this is how to pass a Topstep funded account in only 2 days. Now, if you're someone that keeps blowing accounts, you spent months blowing accounts, you get too emotional, you can't fucking blah. Well look, I started to learn trading in January. And I followed Member FX. For those that know, I followed Member FX. Following in his live room, live traded with him. A lot of you may have found me through them videos. Now, I got my first ever funded account with Clarity Futures. And I literally started that trade on the 19th of January of this very year. And what did I do? I passed phase 1. Following Member FX's live trading room. Then after that, I failed phase 2. I blew the account. I bought another account, 50k account, failed that. I then got another account, 100k, failed that. Got another account, failed that. Got another account, failed that. Then I got another account, failed that. And then started a YouTube series where it's passing the futures. So I went from CFDs and decided I'm going to go look at futures. Then what did I do here? I failed that, right? And this is the last time you guys have seen me trade New York session. I did seven videos on this and I ended up blowing the account. Now something in the past month, right? So I published this last video on September the 3rd and today's October the 10th. But something clicked, right? In this past month, something has clicked. And now I want to show you how I'm now passing prop firm challenges in just 2 fucking days and receiving payouts. As you can see here, this account was created on October the 7th. It's now October the 10th filming this. This account is now passed. And this was the second account. I've actually passed 1. And you're going to see every single trade taken for me to pass my first ever account. You're going to see the strategy it took me to then receive my first ever payout. You're going to see it hit the bank. You're going to see everything. And boys, I'm fucking back. So it's going to be a long fucking video. So do what you got to do. Watch it in parts, whatever you want to do. But boys, we are back. I am back posting videos, so be fucking ready. If you aren't already, sub the fuck up. Because we are about to take the fuck over. Come on. Yo, boys. This is literally going to be my first time ever going through with Topstep. And so I'm just going to buy the account now in front of you all. I'm just going to go with their 50,000 Topstep account. $50 fucking dollars. $49 a month. Like, this is cheap as chips, innit? Oh, mad. Just found, that's all you can do. So if you use the code DASH25, you get fucking 25% off, G. Come on! Saving fucking peas. I'm making more peas and fucking saving. Come on. And now I'm just going to buy this bitch. Now you boys can see. Boom! I agree. And there's the first account. Boom. Just like that. So I just got my first ever Topstep account. Boom. I've never used this shit. I don't know how it works. But yeah. So now what do I do? Launch platform. So you get your login details. Oh, bosh. So here we are. Here we fucking are, boys. So here's the dashboard. Here's what it's looking like. So the rules on this is max loss is $2,000 and I have to hit a profit target of $3,000. Okay, cool. And if I wanted to, I can add more accounts. That's how you copy trade. But yeah, chilling. Right, yo, boys, market opens in literally like fucking 20 seconds or some shit. This is going to be my first ever trade on Topstep. I've marked out US 30 and NASDAQ 100. Market opens in 2 seconds. Let's go see what's happening. See what the crack is. We've got our support, we've got our resistance. Let's not rush into this. Looking for a 1 to 1.5. All right.
Order filled.
We're in.
Order filled.
First ever trade on NASDAQ. The strategy is so simple. I plot out the support, which is where price can't break below. And then what else do I do? I plot out the resistance where price can't break above. Whichever direction it breaks, so in this case it's broken above resistance, we take the buy. If it was the other way and broke below this line, we take the sell. I don't look at higher time frames. I'm not going to the daily, I'm not going to the 1 hour, I'm not going to the fucking 23 seconds. I'm just literally looking at the 5 minute. Sometimes I go into the 1 minute as well, just to see if there's any support and resistance created on the 1 minute. But on this trade, I'm just going to sit back and yeah, let it play out, let it do what it needs to do. Now, as you can see, we are down $500. We're in $500 minus, but we just stay chill, man. $500 is $500. Basically, what can just happen now is this there's a break and a retest. This is the hard part of trading. Being able to look at your account balance and see you're down $1,000, but be able to stick to a plan and be like, nah, this is part of the process, and you trust in it. But the way you get confidence and the way you get competence is from back testing your strategy, doing it over and 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 over again, and back testing days, years, months of data. Be like, you know what? Understand it's a probability game, and that because we know the probabilities, like it's probably gonna do this because you've done it. You just back tested so much data. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at this! It's found some 1 minute resistance, and now it's just doing some bullshit. Just doing a lot of bullshit now, bro. Because now we're up $1,000 and we're about to hit our take profit. But now rather than me getting giddy and be like, oh my God, we're about to hit it, I just have to stay calm, stay chilled, and just watch it hit $1,500 whilst it's toying around so close to our take profit. We're about to hit it. Go on, give me my dough. There we go. Go on. So close now. Might have a little retracement. Oh, beautiful. Come on. That's what you call fucking take profit smashed, you know. Jeez, come on. Easy. We have one more trade like that tomorrow. We're funded. We're fucking passed. Come on. Love that. Right, yo, boys. Today's day 2 of trying to pass a Topstep funded account. $50,000 funded account. Now, as we can see here, we've just been consolidating for actually like the past 24 hours. And so it's kind of mad. I am actually on the 15 today as well. So I'd be lying if I said there wasn't some sort of structure in here. But I'm... Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like I want to wait. We'll see. I'll see how it reacts and how it moves. But yeah, we even also have, I guess you could say, almost a trend here. But yeah, see.
Order filled.
I've taken a sell. See how this reacts. Oh my fucking gosh, that was horrible. See that pullback then? I don't think I like that. That was horrible. We're only entered one position at this point. Right, straight away, one thing I want you to notice, when passing these E-bars, I'm risking $1,000, but I'm not risking $1,000 straight away off the bat, like risking fucking 2 minutes. I'm literally incrementing. So once I find, so I'll enter a small position, right? As you can see, I've just done that, right? And then as soon as I start to see it's a confirmation of like the direction I'm wanting it to go, so in this case, a sell, right? As soon as I see like, okay, cool, we've got it in minus, but now if I see it start to come back down, this is when I start to add more to the position and scale into it. And yeah, because when we're risking heavy, I don't really just want to like, if this reverses now and loses $1,000, it's like unnecessary because I could have just like slowly incremented into it like I'm doing here. So just a little tactic there.
Order
Right,
filled.
I'm out of that. 350. That's all I'm willing to lose on that trade.
Order filled.
Going back in for that sell.
Order filled.
Now we got to make up for that loss now, innit? We got to hit $1,800. So as you heard me just say then, okay, now because of the loss, I've got to make $1,800, right? Because of the $300, $400 loss. Now, all we're doing here is we're playing to the Topstep's rules. So they have a 40% consistency rule and they have a 2-day minimum pass. So all I have to do is essentially hit $1,500 over 2 days and I've passed. Now, because of the loss, then I have to hit $1,800. But watch and find out what happens. Basically. Am I right? So 49,050. I need to do some maths real quick. 1,500 take away 375 equals 1,125.
Order filled.
Don't look at the P&L. Just focus on what the charts are showing me. As you can see here, boys, I went to the 1 minute. Now, we don't say it in the video, but what I was looking for a rejection of this support on the 1 minute. So what I do is I enter on the 5, but then I go to the 1 and sometimes I micromanage, just looking for support and resistance being made within the actual trade itself. And as you can see here, I was looking for a rejection on here. If we were to break past here, I was going to get out, but we're close. We're close. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Just fucking passed. Yo, bro, I was doing bare mad maths on my phone and shit. I was doing a lot of maths and shit on my phone just then, bro. Working out what the fuck was going on. Are you mad? Did we just pass the account or what? Yo, are you fucking mad? Did we just pass it, bro? What the fuck? US 30? Jesus. NASDAQ, bro. But shit, are we passed or what? Maybe I've just passed my first funded fucking account. I don't even know, bro. Have I passed? I don't even know if I've passed, bro. I've hit 3 bags, yeah. Yo, boys, you have no active accounts. What? Fucking come on, passed. Fucking come on now. Ding 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 ding. It's happening in fucking real time, blood. Real time. Come on. That's what I'm fucking saying, G. That's what I'm saying. Do you know what I mean? Bruv, do you know the fucking amount of effort and work I put into this shit? Are you fucking dumb? Trading combine. Come on. God damn. That's what I'm fucking talking about, boys. This shit is possible. And that's only 50 racks. I'm off for 250 racks by the end of the year. Come on, let's go. Now, don't do this. Now, do not do this and don't go full pot your account, passing it in 2 days, because yes, you may get 2 lucky days. But if you ain't finding results outside of full potting and passing your accounts, it's not worth it. If you can find some sort of profitability, that's when you do it. That's when you go all in. But boys, let's fucking do this shit. So, see all this shit? Bruv, we spent months trying to pass funded accounts with fucking clarity. You saw me live streaming with fucking Mamba. You saw me doing this shit on my own. Blowing accounts left, right and centre. Fucking getting fucked in the ass. Started a $100 challenge. Fuck that. Everything just went to shit. The last video you've seen of me, boys, is me doing a fucking three-day win streak on France 40. And just to let you know, just to give you an update, for those that were hating on the fucking comments, I filmed every single fucking trade on this bitch, and that video is coming as well. I was like, you know what? It's costing me more fucking money not being funded at this point. I've got this shit. I know I can do it. Stick to my strategy. Boom. Now, the way I traded in these funded challenges is not how I will trade now and past, right? All within a month, shit just started clicking. In the past month, Had my first ever profitable month. And this is my first ever fucking prop firm pass. All because I simplified this fucking whole shit. It doesn't have to be so complicated. Bro, let me tell you something, right? Topstep, $49 for an account. If I want a full port, the daily drawdown for that fucking day on 2 trades over 2 days, it's costing me $25 a trade. You are all getting stuck in some bullshit mentality. Bro, if you have a strategy, right, and you're getting results like this, you're trading maybe another session or you've been trading on a live account or whatever it is, and you're clearly profitable, why waste fucking 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 months in my case I've done that shit to just blow it when I didn't know what I was doing? Bro, that's opportunity cost. Do you get what I'm saying? You need to fucking full port that shit, pass that shit, and stop getting attached. I'm seeing too many people in the space too attached to fucking passing evals and shit like that. It don't have to be that complicated. If you have a winning strategy and that strategy is 60% win rate, 50% win rate at 1 to 2R, you are profitable either way because your wins are bigger than your losses. All you need to win is 5 times out of 10 minimum. That's it. And you know you're onto a winner. Then you can go do what I've just done, get the fucking eval, pass that shit in 2 days, and now every trade now is live. So yeah, onto a payout now. I shouldn't get too gas really because we haven't got a payout. But yo, bro, I had a message yesterday on my Instagram, right, and I put it on my story, and it says, "Was ready to give up learning to trade till I started watching you. Mate, glad to see you're finally finding success." Bro, let me put this bigger for you, man. Understand that even though I've not been posting on YouTube, boys, I've been posting on my Instagram every day. I've been showing my wins every single day on Instagram, right? And I'm starting to make some more content for you guys to see every single day. But brother, I had to just lock in, boys. I had to just go fucking do one for a minute and just go silent. I was aware that the camera was messing up my psychology. Looking at the comments and people are telling me to do this and to do that and to do this and to do that. In a way, even though I'm keeping the same strategy, I'm strategy hopping just by looking at people's individual differences. And I was like, nah, I need to get my plan, my discipline, my structure and fucking attack it. You've been watching me on this YouTube now since fucking May, I believe, right? Since May. Boys, you see me lose, you see me blow accounts. Fam, we may finally be getting somewhere. And now a lot of people are gonna be like, "Oh, you just full ported 2 days and got lucky." Bro, that was the plan. But now what's the plan afterwards? The plan next is to trade how I've been trading normally anyway and how I've been winning every single day. I took 2 losses in the past 4 weeks, boys. It is costing me more money not being funded than it is to be like, bro, I took 2 losses. Look, the P&L's there, the screenshots to every single fucking trade is all in this Google sheet. The screenshot to every trade is in this Google sheet with the fucking P&L's and money fucking bullshit every single day. Fuck the money, bro. Stop fucking thinking about the money. Focus on the system, boys. 50k is fuck all, bro. I'm off to... Bro, here's the plan, right? Bro, what did I tell you? I'll tell you what the plan is next. I put it all in this video. My plan to make 10k in a month, bro. It's all in this video. I'm going to go get max allocation. And for my first few payouts, I'm going to trickle that profit into not only my live account, but at first I'll putting it into buying next accounts, other accounts. And I can get 5 accounts, meaning I can be 250k fucking funded. And, bro, it's fucking happy days, you know what I mean? I need to call my brother real quick, let him know about this shit. Because this is, he does a bit of trading himself. Try to teach him shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kirby. Yo, bro. And guess what, G?
I fucking already know. I saw.
What did you see?
I saw it go flying, bro.
So what do you think that means?
I don't know. You fucking bastard, G.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Yeah, motherfucker. Goddamn.
God damn, we passed that shit.
You got a funded account, G?
50. That's it, bro. That's what I'm talking about. 9 months later, G.
Nah, that's fucking later, G, and out came you, G. Come on. Come on. About to make a fucking baby.
Come on. That's it, G. Had to make a baby. That's it, bro. But yo, we ain't stopped yet. We got to get the first payout, secure that, and then get consistent with this shit. If I can trade the same way I've been trading this past month, bro, up. Fucking up.
Oh.
God damn.
God damn.
Did you trade USD?
I didn't. I traded it now and it was a sell and it was like slow, but I still traded. Yeah, I still got it.
Did you win?
I won.
Yeah.
it was a sell.
Sick. I took the Nasdaq. So fucking
Yeah,
serious. How much did you end up making?
$6.
Better than no, innit?
Yeah.
Say less. Come on, G. Alright, say less. Keep pushing.
Yeah.
Track that shit. Put it in your sheets.
Yeah.
So, bro.
How much are you gonna start like risking on the live now?
Great question. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be risking 1 mini every trade. So I'll be risking 1 mini on a $350 to $400 stop loss, and then I'll be just taking a 1 or 2 every single day, or aiming for a 1 to 2. So I'll be looking to make $700 a trade every day, and
God damn.
shit,
Yeah,
$700 to $800 a trade. That's the plan.
That's the plan. God damn, it's gonna make fucking $800 a trade, bro.
And then what I'll do is I'll take the money that I get from the payouts and invest it in getting another funded account, buy them challenges, so then we're doubling the money, then tripling the money, then by the time we're done with fucking 5x the account and we got 5 accounts, 250k, then I'll be looking to other prop firms, stack my cash, and then if the accounts blow, if I blow the accounts for whatever reason, buy all 5 back at the same time, but because I've built capital from consistent payouts, buy all the accounts back. It's going to cost me around $1,000 to get max allocation on all this shit in them. Boom, I'm chilling.
Fucking hell, G. This is the start.
Yeah, man.
Let's fucking go.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, bruv. Let's go, let's go.
Fucking go. Peace.
Peace, bruv. So, yo, boys, again, just to show you all, this is my account. I've only had one Topstep account. I set up Topstep, made a login and password on Monday, and I passed it on Tuesday. Today is now Wednesday, the 24th of September. And one thing I forgot to do yesterday, because I'm just so gassed, is I forgot to actually activate the account. So I'm going to activate that now before our New York session in 14 minutes. As you can see here, yesterday, we fucking smashed it. We hit the $3,000. We hit the $3,000. Took 2 days to pass, and yeah, we did it all. So that was the first day's trade, and that was the second day. So if you set your take profit around $1,510 each trade, you're probably golden. So yeah, cool. Let's activate this bitch. Continue. I agree. Fuck knows what I'm agreeing to, but I agree. I have to pay $178. Jesus, man. Right, well, I need to get my phone for this. And yeah. Right, so I've just moved to this camera now so I can get my phone and put the money in the account. I don't know about you boys, but I don't keep all my money in about me. I have random subscriptions and shit come out and I forget to cancel, and I'm like, oh, like fucking. And I'm like, oh, I fucking forgot to cancel that. And it'd be like 20, 30 quid. I'm like, oh, it's another 20, 30 quid going. Oh, another fucking 40 quid. I'm like, oh, what the fuck are these subscriptions? Right. So $178 in pounds. So £132. Not really that bad, is it really? Right, that's now done. I've now put that money in my account. As you can see, I've put 150 quid in. Well, I put 140 quid in. I had £9 in my bank. Like I said, I don't keep money in my bank. Pay. Hopefully at the same time, we should see. Boom. There it is. Topstep. Boom. Topstep. £133 spent. As you can see. See all that shit. Boom. Yeah, chilling. Cool. Finish. Now what? I can go with now. Activate account. What? Bruv, what the fuck have I just done? Let me go to my emails. Oh, bro, don't even tell me. Oh, in queue. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, you see that, boys? That just came up then. Active. Ah, okay, cool. So we just have to wait a minute then. Launch platform. Boom! And we're in there, boys. Right, let's put the phone back and let's run this shit up. See how we're doing. That took fucking no time at all, bro. Honestly, Topstep, beautiful. The best prop firm that I've definitely come across. I can see why when I was doing the video a few weeks ago, maybe a month or two ago, about what prop firm I should go with. I can see why people were saying Topstep. Topstep is so clean. By far my favourite one I've used so far. And give me some retracement. There we go, that's it. I ain't trying to get my ass faked out. I'm just going to wait here a sec. See, we avoided that. Okay. So we avoided that. Didn't like that. See, we avoided that shit. So now we're probably going to find some structure. Hopefully it bounces back. Or is it going for a sell? Straight in a sell.
Order filled.
Boom, just like that, yeah. Risking around 350 on this trade. Use this shit. See how it's stalling here and it could potentially just go shoot back up. But we'll see. But we're aiming for, I'm aiming for 750 in this trade. Around $750 to $800 per trade. Oh, we got a bit more there. Boom.
Order filled.
That's my first fucking trade on a funded account. I'm gassed. Hey. That's the first ever trade on a funded account. And how much did we just fucking whack? $780 just like that. Boom. There we go. I really wanted to get the first trade out of the way and be like the winning trade, because now I know, okay, cool, tomorrow I lose. If I lose 1 hour, I'm still up another hour, right? Do you know what I mean? Because that was a 1 to 2 I just hit there. So I'm gassed. Very gassed. And the markets look like the back, man. Fucking hell. Now, kind of what I've been doing in the mornings on my live trading accounts. As you can see here, we've taken 2 losses in the past 5 weeks on France 40, 1 break even. All wins this week so far. But one of the things I've been doing is I've been entering half positions. Now, I remember watching Mamba FX's videos and he would put like half a position in, then another half a position, right? Now, I didn't really understand why he did that, and I don't know why. I still don't know why he does it, and I don't know if maybe this is the reason. But one of the things I do like, which is someone who I've seen do, is Connor FX, and he'll scale into positions, scale into a trade, and I really like that. And I've been doing that this week in my live trade. I mean, even if you watch the beginning of this video, I did it on the first trade, and on Tuesday when I passed the account, I lost the first trade, but I didn't have full risk, so meaning I could like carry on. And so I really like that. So I think I'm going to do that today. Trace. Right. There we go. Volume push.
Order filled.
There we go. Now we're in. We're just in half a position though right now, you see. What am I doing? The fucking... Let me get this shit. I need to film this shit. Right. There we are, boys. What are we at? What are we at? Right. We're pushing. Oh my God. We're fucking pushing with volume. Right. I'm going to secure that 1 to 2.
Order filled.
Boom. Fucking come on the boys. Right. Boys, so my screen fucking froze there, but I hope you man saw that. I had to be thinking fast there. We got our 1 to 2. And yeah, that was a beautiful trade, you know. That was a beautiful, beautiful trade. I'm happy with that. Let me try and fucking unblock this shit. Don't know what that we're doing. I did say right at the beginning, innit, this had some issues going on. Oh, that's so annoying. You man couldn't properly see that shit. Boom. There you go. So that was the trade there, boys. Oh, I really wish you boys could have seen that properly, but yeah, lovely trade. Took our 1 to 2 and I was fucking gone. I did try and maybe secure something because it pushed with volume, but look, it's reversing now. So, oh, bro, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling... Let me put my phone back. Oh, boys, I can't lie. I feel on fucking fire right now. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. Let me... I don't think the P&L would have moved either, would it? Some sort of a buy maybe, or maybe even a no trade at this point. I'm not trying to do some bullshit setup. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm not getting in that shit. Fuck that. Fuck that. That's too risky, that. See now that shit's moving? Yeah, I'd rather not. Rather not get in that. Yeah, go on. Yeah, fuck that. I ain't even bothered. If this is one of them days where I don't take a trade, then so fucking be it.
Order
Right,
filled.
we're in Dow. Super high risk. Probably should have not even got in that.
Order
Right,
filled.
$125 lost there, minor is what it is. This could now just push up to a buy. I'd like, if we are going to take buys, to break above this here. On the 1 minute there. See, let's watch how it reacts on this trend line. This is what I'm watching for. Is it going to bounce off of it and come back up? See if it does, and that could be a buy. Like a little break and retest, chat.
Order filled.
I mean, I am in some bullshit right now, I'll be honest with you. Don't know why I fucking edit this. Stupid mistake. Stupid mistake, boys, I'll be honest with you. About to get stopped out. 500.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was stupid of me. Fuck knows why I did that. That was just silly of me, to be honest with you. But you know what? Either way, like, it is what it is. We're up. That's why my wins are double my loss. Now it's starting to break out.
Boys, I got locked out of the account today. Do you know what? I fucking love that Topstep do this. Like, this is actually so good. So I set my balance, my max loss to $500. But what I've actually just decided to do whilst I'm here is I'm going to move it to 400. So this is going to have an automatic stop loss of $400. And then when I can reopen this on Monday, I'll put this to 400. So I literally can't lose more than $400 because, to be honest with you, why be getting 1 or 2s at $800 if I'm gonna like risk $500 max? It doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna actually change that, and like, yeah, I'm gonna be so disappointed with this. Like, that was some bullshit today. Like, I could have fully avoided today, but it happens, and it was still up for the week. Like, overall on the week, right? So these 2 wins put me up 4R. Now this 1 loss takes me down 1R. So we're essentially up 3R for the week. And it would now take us 3 losses in a row to become break even. Do you get what I'm saying? So, with that lock on my account, there's like really no way I can blow this account unless I lost 5 times in a row. Which is pretty fucking good, to be honest with you. Decent. You know what as well, boys? Another thing I've done is I've just blocked trading US30. I'm no longer going to look at US30. Because the reason why I tried to get in the buys and shit, because honestly, every time I look at US30 and NASDAQ at the same time, it just completely skews and fucks me up. So I'm just focusing on NASDAQ only, and that's it. So $400 loss, $400 loss. It ain't saved yet, but I'll save it when I can. Locked out for 2 days. But yeah, fuck it.
Right, yo, boys, here we are. It's another fucking day, another dollar. Right, yo, boys, market opens in 5 minutes. I always tend to mark up my charts around 25 minutes past. So here's how we're looking. So far, we do have 3 winning days. We have 1 losing day. Now, if we can get today and tomorrow a winning day, we'll get a payout on Wednesday, which would be cool because we literally passed the account on last Tuesday. So 7 days later, we can get a fucking payout. Like, that's how crazy this shit could be. So yeah, not traded the best yesterday, but it is what it is. I got that winning day like you boys saw, but hopefully today we secure something. So I'm gonna mark up my charts right now, and we'll go from there. So very simply put, we do have a support and we have a resistance. As well, we are in a bit of a trend. So that's another thing to look out for sure. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to lie, in today's trade, if I see a lot of resistance at this, say if we're waiting for sells and it opens in 3 minutes, but if this shit didn't break out within the next 3 minutes, when we get to this area here, I will definitely be looking whether to put stops to break even or close my position pretty early on, because this could easily bounce off. But yeah, let's see how this shit goes and hopefully have a good day. Right, market has opened. See what happens. I'm just marking out both potentials. In fact, I'm going to pay attention to what this shit actually does right now. This could easily break.
Order filled.
That was very fucking early, but we may get something out of this. Oh, there's that fucking there's that bullshit I was talking about.
Order
No,
filled.
I'm too early to this trade. I don't want to be in this trade right now. I'm just going to chill a minute. I feel like I entered that way too early. And I'd rather be more conservative because that could easily be a liquidity grab. I just don't want to be there. Alright, if we break this shit, see, this is more so what I'm trying to see. If we break this, now that's what I want to see. Now, there we go. Okay, cool. So now, because I mentioned earlier, this shit could just bounce up off of this trend. Hence why I got out of that trade a little early. It's too early. This could just simply be a liquidity grab and then go on to the upside because on trading view, it's bounced off of that trend line I was talking about, the channel it was within. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I didn't want to stay in that because this could come boom, boom, all the way up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we're in, boys. We are fucking in. Shit, I've over leveraged. Shit, I've entered 3 positions there. Fuck. Now this area here, it could bounce off of over here in this section. So we'll see how this acts. Hopefully it just continues to push. It's got a lot of volume though, but I'm going to put my finger on the trigger just in case. I don't like how it's reacting at this pivotal point right now. Just sink. Just fucking sink, bro. Sink the fucking ship. Yeah, you see that wick there? Beautiful, very, very nice.
So a big thing to notice here as well is I don't put my stop loss to 1 to break even no more when I hit a 1-to-1. See how it's 0.5? This is because when I would back test and when I would trade, I would kept getting stopped the fuck out of the trade because it'd always come back and retest. Now, if you understand, there's a break and retest strategy as well as just breakouts. So because I know this, rather than putting it full to break even, it didn't make sense. So I put it to here. So it allows it to be able to retest and then dump. So as you can see here, that's what I've done.
I'm not going to get too giddy though, you know what I mean, Shan? Where are we at now? Where are we at now? Break even. We are not losing this trade now. Oh, beautiful, $1,000. This is break even. Go on, carry on. Carry on. Yep. Nearly got our 1-to-2. There's buying pressure coming in as well, which isn't nice. There we go.
Order
No,
filled.
boys, I'm taking the dub there. I was getting greedy then. I over-risked by accident. Genuinely didn't mean to over-risk. And because I over-risked and it was down, I was like, you know what, this could potentially go in our favour. But alright, I'll take the $600.
Look, boys, we're up $600, call it today.
Now, I am not perfect by any means, right? And I'm trying.
Right, I'm still in early days, right?
This is my first ever account passed. And if I get a payout this week, it'll be my first ever payout. So I'm still very early to this shit, right? But I'm showing you, man, that this shit is genuinely possible. But look, here's what I want to show you, and here's what I'm trying to tell you what's helped me one whole trades and it's definitely improved me getting out of the break-even stage, right?
So here's my whiteboard. Here's what I do, right? So rather than looking at this whiteboard and be like, oh, I made $600, $200, I put the RR and I'm doing this shit by points for the week. It helps. I'm not saying it is set in stone and it's perfect, but it helps me follow the system. Because now I'm up, right, $778, basically $800. And if I'm risking around $350 to $400 per trade, that now means I'm up 2R for the week. Meaning, if I lose on Wednesday
and Thursday I break even. And then if I lose or win, I can either be up 1 hour or down 1 hour on Friday. But statistically and by probability, knowing this, I should get a payout this week, right? Because I'm looking at, right, a daily win rate for me at the minute is around 65, 70%. So with that being said, I should get a payout this week. But again, what I'm trying to tell you and justify is, boys, I recommend doing this. Get a whiteboard, write down your points, not the profit. This way, you're able to stop looking at the money and then putting in money on a pedestal, but instead put the points in the system on a pedestal instead. So yeah, we have at least $200 in profit tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It depends. I may potentially, just because it's the first payout, and I believe the first payout's the most important. Because if we get around, let's say, a $2,000 payout, that gives me capital now to invest in other accounts and buy more capital and acquire more capital to scale and make a lot more money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking, do I just get the $200 and dip, or do I take a full trade, potentially make another $800 and withdraw around $2,700 to $3,000 in profit, depending on how the day goes? We should see. But if this was 5 accounts and we were just withdrawing around $2,000, that's a $10,000 payout. So that's what I'm saying. Get more accounts, secure $200. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm thinking of working this all out. Boom. Right, yo, boys, today's the day where we literally just need one more winning day and we got a fucking payout, Shan. So let's see what happens there. I really, really want to be sure that this is going to go down if we do take sales right now, because we have all this shit here. I'm going to just give this a second now. So you have this resistance area over here. I don't want to get faked out and fucked over. So now it's done that. If we break that, then I'll take sales. Or we could quite easily, very easily come down, bounce off this and go onto the upside. So we will be patient, but I can imagine a lot of people are in this trade right now. We've avoided that shit. And now if we come up, we created some sort of trend. Oh, that's bullish. That is a strong, strong candle. If we're taking buys. Whoa! Just give that a second. That is bullish as fuck. That is a lot of volume. That's a lot of fucking goddamn volume, man. Goddamn, this shit fast. I'm just going to give this a second here, though. Just going to give this a second. Because we have all this shit here on the left as well. Give this a second. Give it a second. Right.
Order filled.
We don't want to get fucking bummed here, you know what I mean? Take that full position when we get a confirmation that we are going up. So we could secure a winning day right now and take the 2.1k, which is chill. Come on, boy. I want to get a fucking first payout and be gone. Come on. Just get that. We need that first payout, boys. Trust me, I'm trading a whole lot different than I usually would. I can feel it. I know I would. The emotions are flying. I'm fully aware. But, boys, if we can get that first fucking payout, we're fucking... Oh, bro, you fucking mad. Come on, jeez. Right, yo, emotions, fuck off. Chill. Right, at this point, boys, I'm securing the payout. If it goes down, I'm securing the fucking payout. We are securing the payout. If this comes down now, but if we go up, we're fucking lovely. So we have got a payout no matter what now, boys. We have a payout no matter what, but we could also take off more from the table. So let's just see how this runs. But I've secured the fucking payout.
Order filled.
Alright, chilling. Chilling. We secured the fucking payout, boys. we secured the fucking payout. Bro, that's just done some mad shit. I mean, what even is that, to be honest with you? You know what I mean? That's some bullshit trade. Yeah, bro, we've secured a payout. I'm cool. Nah, fuck the greed. Fuck all that shit. We've secured fucking payout. There we are, boys. There we fucking are. Boom. 5 winning days. That's all we needed. And we secured the fucking payout, right?
Order filled.
Why did I do that? 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 Go, no. Why did I do that? Why the fuck did I do that? And there she was. Greed. The dirty fucking slag greed kicked in. I'm there, sat there, and anxiety and emotions flying everywhere. My left bollock's sweating. Just like Jimmy Savile in a playground. It was fucked. Yeah, I was there losing all my gains, and I was happy with where I was, and I just secured my first ever payout. And I was like, no, I need more. I need fucking more. And then as I was just sat there in the trade, I was just watching all my gains fucking fly away into thin air and fucking abolish. And yeah, boys, so this is, long story short, when you get your first payout, I know you were about to get it, do not be greedy and don't be a cunt like this. Dickhead.
Order filled.
You fucking mad, bruv? What the fuck just happened then? Oh, bruv. Don't even let me have a fucking payout no more now. Oh, fucked it today, man. Fucked it. Oh, just fucking fucked it, man. Shit. I mean, either way, it was an L day, right? I'm not being funny, boys, but does it get any more fucking real than this? Like, can I be any more, like, showing you, like, bro, I just literally did the most stupid fucking retarded possible trading move I could have possibly done. And I'm here just showing you, like, I could just hide all this and be like, oh, hide it, skip to the payout, show you the money and all that shit. But, bro, this is literally the reality of trading. Like, look, there's no, like, I believe there's no light switch. There's no, like, switch on moment, like, oh, I'm profitable now. I think it's a gradual thing. Like, it's not like, oh, I can trade like fucking Mamba effects all of a sudden. You know what I mean? So, I want to document and show all this and be as honest and real as I possibly can. So, yeah, look at me. Fucking weasel. But, man, like, what am I doing? Government's fucking shut down the fucking thing still. Fucking, I don't know, what's crack-a-lack in there. I'm hearing a lot of shit like, oh, de-risk, don't trade. TGR's not trading. I saw a video before I just jumped on here. Do I look like a fucking pussy up? Alright.
Order
fucking
filled.
gone, innit? Am I gonna get fucking bummed? Wait, am I on micros? I just fucking traded one. Oh, boys. I traded one micro and fucking... Oh, bro, I traded one fucking micro and I can't... Bro, I traded one... You've got to be fucking kidding me, aren't you? You've got to be fucking kidding me. I basically moved my risk so that I can only take one trade. And well, let's fucking see how this shit moves. Watch this end up being like the biggest trade of the fucking week. And I can't even trade it. Imagine that, boys. Actually imagine. Well, since I can only make fucking... I'd have to hit a target 4, bruv. You know when the last time I hit a target 4 was on New York session? I don't even know. But we'll watch this shit anyway. You know what? This actually might be a good time for me to just practice my fucking system without heavy risk and without a lot of bullshit. And just relax. You know what I mean? I think so. Stops will now go full way to break even. So we're now risk off in this trade. Getting ready to exit the trade. Boom. This is where I would exit the trade and take fucking $800. But now, obviously, I have to try and secure the winning day. So I've got to wait all the way until we hit $150. I mean, if I hit $150 right now, I'll be fucking gassed. Because I can take a payout and then go back to proper risk and just get my psychology right. Because my psychology has been fucked this week. Like, fucked. So, yeah, it'd be nice if this hit. Because I'd like to just take the payout. I don't care how big it is at this point. Just take the payout and fucking get back to proper risk management. Know I've got, if I do blow the accounts, I can just like comfortably reinvest and buy more accounts, new accounts, and just stop chasing payouts and P&Ls and shit like that. Just follow the system. Literally like I've done today, right? Literally like I've done today. I'm actually really glad this has happened because it's the first time in the first day where I've had to just like use my system properly. Now I'd obviously be out of this trade right now, and it'd be happy days. I can't actually believe I've not used proper risk today. I can't actually believe it. On a day like this, probably the best day of the whole fucking week, I put 1 micro. Bruv, I'm going to put 1 minute, not 1 micro. 1 minute is 10 times bigger than 1 micro, for those that don't know. So I'm 10 times under risked right now. Oh, bruv, come on. It's going to wait. Oh my God, we're actually going to get a fucking payout, boys. No way.
Order filled.
Yo! That was class, that fam. Fucking hell. Right, there it is, boys. Just done all the payment on my phones. There's the first fucking... Bruv, there's the... Oh, you fucking mad. There you go, boys. Ooh, the... Yo, bruv. That's the first ever fucking payout right there. That is my first ever fucking payout right there. You see that right there, boys? That's my first ever fucking payout. Are you stupid? I don't care about the dollar amount. I don't care how much it is. I'm happy it's what it is. Bruv, this right here, do you know what this is right here? I'll tell you what this represents right here. You can manage to get one of these under your belt. This tells you, bruv, this shit is possible. This tells you that you can never, ever fucking stop this shit. This tells you that you have to make this shit happen. No matter fucking what, right? I don't give a fuck if you're fucking just, your girlfriend's pissed on your face and had a shit in your mouth. Don't give a fuck. Your dog's just got leukemia, bro. Fuck all that. You see this shit right here? This represents a fucking changing fucking life, this right here. This is a new chapter. This is a new era. This is the beginning of fucking a mad fucking journey that's about to come. That's all I'm going to say, bro. Are you dumb? $754? It's really not a lot of dough. But all you need is that taste. All I've needed is that taste of just like a little breakthrough. Just to tell me that it is possible if you just, work on a few things. It's possible. I'm gassed, boys. And I hope every single one of you seeing this, if you thought about giving up, you don't fucking stop. You keep pushing, you keep fucking going, because that's what I've done. That's literally what I've fucking done. I've had hundreds of thousands of views in the past few fucking months telling me I'm shit, telling me I can't do this, telling me it's going to take me years, telling me I'm bollocks, telling me I'm a fucking Mamba FX fucking team, you like bullshit, like just the fucking most retarded comments. Essays, people telling me the maddest shit in essays, telling me I may as well just give up and stop. Bro, fuck yourselves, suck my dick, and shut the fuck up, because you're about to witness the come up, bro. You are about to witness the fucking maddest journey, bro. We're just getting started, bro. This is fucking nothing. Fuck off. Just getting fucking started. I tell you, I kid you not. This is the beginning of the fucking come up. If you are watching me right now and you've been watching me from the start or very early on, bro, you are watching the fucking come up. You are watching someone go from fucking zero trading knowledge, blowing accounts, losing thousands of money, to check on me in a fucking year. That's all I'm going to tell you. Bro, and if you are watching this video and you even think about quitting, do not fucking stop, because this shit is possible, bro. This shit is possible, boys. I'm gassed. I'm fucking gassed. And on top of that, on the live account, we're all green. So shit's looking good. Shit's looking good. No trading signals, no bots, just literally what I've learned, what I've implemented, and that's how you do it. That's how you fucking do it, bro. Don't doubt me. Do not fucking doubt me. Whatever you do not fucking doubt me. Whatever you do not dare fucking doubt me. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Do not fucking disrespect me, bro. I worked too hard to make this shit not work. I'm not perfect, and by far am I perfect. This was the most rockiest pass. This was the most rocky, secured payout of all time. But we fucking did it. And there's lessons that have been learned from this. That's the important bit. That is why I've learned, and I'm learning very quickly. I walk away and I observe, why am I going wrong? Where am I going wrong? I track everything, boys. And I give it all away for free. I put it all in my descriptions. I go back to the charts. I review everything. I track all my trades. Where am I going wrong? What can I do better? Do you want me to be honest with you? Do you want me to be honest with you? It's very fucking simple. It's so fucking simple. And you know what it is? All in the mind. All this shit is psychology. Everywhere I'm messing up right now is psychology. Nothing to do with the strategy. Nothing. Breakouts, nothing. All to do with the mental and risk management. That's all it is. You get them fucking things down, you're good, bro. You're good. And yo, boys, if you haven't already, sub the fuck up. And if you're already subscribed, you are watching the fucking come up, my guy. And I love every single one of you that have been watching, back in the videos, supporting the Discord, supporting me in the comments, in the fucking Instagram room, bro. All y'all. God, I'm gassed. Let's fucking get it, bro. 2026 is going to be a big fucking year. But don't let that stop you. I ain't letting that stop me from making the end of this year a big fucking year. Bro, trust me. One account down, one payout down. Watch. We're going to go for max allocation, $250,000 fucking dollars in capital. That's what I'm talking about. Coming from January, not having a fucking clue how to do this shit, to by the end of the year, 250k funded and getting payouts. And then getting 5k, 10k payouts. Watch. You fucking watch. Do not doubt me. I had hundreds of you doubt me in the beginning, even just getting the first payout, let alone getting the payout, passing a fucking account. So watch. You fucking watch when I go get the 5k, 10k payouts. You fucking watch. And if you don't believe me, just stick around and you'll fucking see. Yeah, boys, if you're still watching at this point, which if you are, you sick motherfucker, oh, love, like genuinely love. Since this video was filmed and since my first payout, I have finally received my first payout. It is in the bank, it is in my account. I bought 2 more accounts, passed another one today. I'll show that footage as well. Boys, I'm literally editing the video here, as you can see. There, look, I'm literally editing the video, bosh. And here you can see, trading combine passed 3 hours ago, 2:45 p.m. That was 15 minutes after New York session. Boom. See ya, motherfucker. Last day of one on Monday or Tuesday. I just need another winning trade. So that'll be 3 accounts. And yeah. So anyone that's in the comments saying, oh, you got lucky, I'm gonna do it twice. Now I'm gonna do it 3 times. Like, carry on doubting, man, but fuck yourselves. It's gonna be fucking mad.